In this video episode, I'm gonna be sharing to you what are the condo monthly expenses. This is on the assumption that you bought your condo unit through a bank loan. And the first one is your monthly amortization, approximately 20K per month. So, but still depends on how much you loan. And the second thing is your condo use. Averagely, it's 90 pesos per square meter. Say, for example, you bought a 32 square meter condo unit. That's 2,880. So, let's convert it to 3K. And the next one is your power and water bill. So, approximately 3K as well. And of course, if you have internet connection, you have your internet bill. So let's assume it's 2K. So total is like 20K, 3K, 3K plus 2K. It's 28,000 per month. So just to be clear, this doesn't include your grocery items, your food expenses, and your annual expenses like your property tax. So I hope you enjoy this kind of video. If you like it, you don't forget to comment, like, and share, and see you in the next one.